Bro, I'm out here, I swear to God, this cop just pulled out a gun, bro. Hell nah. Damn, they got the man down and everything. Damn. What is going on? What the fuck? What?
Does this guy have injuries that like, is he like squirting? Does he squirt that? No, not bleeding, like he's squirting, like going out.
Damn.
Yeah.
What the hell happened? You
Yo,
guys
how
see what?
bad? He just gave me a tourniquet if he's bleeding that bad.
Did he get hit with the chainsaw?
Try to stay out of the
Damn. Oh, there was a car crash. How the hell did chainsaw get in there? It's lit over here. World Star. Damn. Let me record this shit. I got it. They got the gun pointed at this dude. Look at that. Damn. Holy shit.
You see the guy?
Did you see what happened?
Yeah.
What happened, dude?
Where's the injured guy at?
Yeah, he's got a tourniquet on him.
You hit him with the chainsaw? That guy got hit with the chainsaw right there? They already took the other guy away, I'm guessing, huh? Really? He's in there with his arm fucking cut? Holy shit. Damn. Holy fuck. I pray to God he is okay, man. That's terrible. Damn. I took break at the fucking right time today. Shit.
What building is he in? Right here, 561. If they want, they can go around the back of the building and get in.
Holy shit. Damn, we got some savages out here. Blood. Ooh. Ooh, we got the chainsaw. This dude came at him with a chainsaw, man. This dude came at him with a chainsaw. I'm back to work.